Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is like devlog or showcase video of the Unity fundament first part of the Unity fundamentals. What to we so set up your GitHub account. So what I have done in here is I have learned the basics of GitHub. I already knew the new Unity engine quite well, so it's but still I have refreshed my basics of Unity itself too. So and then there was an assignment where we had to create this scene. So let me show you in this scheme. So here, like if I click on scene 1, then it loads the scene 1, then scene 2 loads scene 2, and if I load the scene 3, then scene 3, and the all of them have a back button and stuff. And this is the code for it that I wrote, and I've tried to use GitHub gitbash to push my changes. Like outscal has told us to use source tree, but I'm trying to learn the gitbash. So what I've learned in gitbash is a few simple commands like git clone, then git status, then git branch, git checkout, git add, git commit, git push, git pull, all these basic commands. So and also I also learned basic basics of how to update this readme files. So okay, this is it, I think. Thank you.